Okay, so let's try vlogging again. I suck at this hobby. I'm doing the 4-park Disney World challenge today because I have nothing better to do. I don't like the way that lamp looks. So, I'm already late for it, so I'll explain what the challenge is on the way. What the fuck am I doing with my life? I don't like vlogging, but this seems like a cool idea and I want to show people. Okay, so it is 9:15 and that is about 2 hours later than when I wanted to start this because like an idiot I didn't set an alarm. Oh god, that freaked me the fuck out. I forgot the remote was back there. So, if anyone doesn't know what the 4-park challenge is, it's you visit all 4 Disney parks in one day and try to get on at least one ride without a fast pass, which sounds a lot easier than it is. I'm also gonna try and get like a Polaroid in front of like the main thing that people know in the parks, which is for Animal Kingdom, the Tree of Life, Epcot, Spaceship Earth, so on, so on, so on. Just trying to work out the best transport route because I don't drive. Oh god, returning to the room. I forgot my fuel rod and didn't charge my phone last night. Oh god, bugger, bugger, bugger. Let's try that again. Good. Okay, I think it's actually going to be easier if I head this way. Good. Why am I so unorganized? I should have really used yesterday to prep my plan. I heard the best bit of advice for the challenge was to know which rides I'm gonna do, so I failed that part. Like, I know what I'm getting on in Magic Kingdom, so I'm aiming to get on Everest because I'm expecting Flight of Passage to have ridiculously big queues like it has the past couple of days. And oh dear god, why am I doing this to myself? Okay, so I've just arrived at Park 1, Animal Kingdom. It is a lot later than I expected. So I've got that to work against now. It should still be possible, but we'll see. the longest ride today is here is Flight of Passage, but that's still not super long. It's like 210 minutes. So that's not what I'm going on. I want to go on Everest. Okay, so Doug. Okay, so I just got distracted by Doug. Yeah, where was I? Oh yes, I've got the first picture, like the first Polaroid down. I've just found out where to go for Everest, and now I'm just avoiding a tourist group that is like 200 people. It's probably not 200, it's probably like 20, but it's a big group, and I can't be bothered to deal with that many people. Okay, so I've made it to Everest, and the queue is a bit big. Okay, the queue wasn't too bad. That was actually the fast pass. It was massive, so I guess it's easier to go this way. The scenery here is great though. Okay, that's park 1 and ride 1 done. I haven't found any more photo ops, and I'm hoping I don't, because I don't want to waste any more time. So I'm just on my way to Epcot, I believe. Yeah, I'm on my way to Epcot. The generic rule is that you can't go on the first ride in the park. So when I get there, I'm going to run to Slinky Dog. Oh, no. I'll have to go to Test Track. I was thinking of Hollywood Studios. Okay, so that's the hardest. Well, that's what I thought was going to be the hardest one, because I don't actually know the area. I managed to get in and out with under 2 hours. So that's a good start. Jesus. I think I might actually make this challenge. Just need to find the exit now. Okay, almost went the wrong way. Just heading towards the bus to head to Epcot. I was going to include like Blizzard Beach in this, but I didn't want to wear swim shorts and wet clothes all day and then travel on buses on them, so no. Okay, so on my way to the Epcot bus, I'm going to need to get a fuel rod when I get to Epcot. Oh god, the pressure is real, guys. Came on holiday to relax and looks like that's not going to happen. So it's now 12:10. I'm making pretty good time, I hope. My biggest issue is I'm going to have to get through Epcot, then from Epcot I'm going to have to go around to the World Showcase to get to Hollywood Studios, but then hopefully from there I should be able to get back super easy to Magic Kingdom. So Simon, what the hell? You guys aren't listening to this. Okay, so I'm going to find a fuel rod station because my one has just died. Oh dear God. The panic is setting in. This is... Why did I decide to do this to myself? Honestly. I need to find a character spot because I've heard that Baymax is here and I want to hug it. Okay, so test track was closed, so I'm now doing mission space instead. So this is gonna be fun. Okay, so that was fun, I guess. Just a motion simulator, wasn't. And yes, what can I say about a motion simulator? Anyway, that's the ride down, at least. I'm gonna try and see if the queue line for Baymax is any shorter, because by God was the queue line high when I went on mission space. Okay, so that's Epcot done for me. I just need to head through World Showcase to the UK so I can catch the ferry across to Hollywood Studios. I'm gonna have no issue completing this challenge, unless when I get to studios, everything is ridiculously long. Which, let's face it, it's been quite, oh god damn, there's a photo. Oh. Okay, so it's almost 3:15. The boat ride took longer than expected. Just heading into Hollywood Studios. I haven't checked the wait times yet, so I'm hoping it's not too bad, but at least I don't have a bag, so I don't have to go through that load of crap. Okay, so it's just gone 3. I'm now on like the main queue of Slinky Dog Dash, which is the one I'm trying to get on for this park challenge. Queue time is like an hour and a half, so got that to deal with. Man, it's so bright here. I'm getting burnt. Okay, I totally am getting burnt. Okay, it's just gone 4. Just got off Slinky as well. So depending on the wait times in Magic Kingdom, it should be good unless I run into any photo opportunities. And then I don't know the waiting time for those. So here's to hoping that doesn't happen. Okay, so that's... I keep wanting to say California Adventures, not. It's Hollywood Studios. That's that one out the way. I'm heading to the buses to try and get to Magic Kingdom now. So this should be a fun little trying to work it out, because last time I tried to get back on the bus from here, I got a bit lost. Okay. Okay, final park of the day. I've just got to Magic Kingdom. It is about 10 to 5. The bus took forever, as you will see through the time lapse. I'm just going to pop by the fire station to get a pack of sorcerer's cards, and then I'm going to try and get on Splash Mountain. So, I suck at vlogging. I completed the challenge, got in all 4 rides in each park. Stopped at every photo thing that I saw. And had a game of sorcerers in the meantime. It wasn't as hard as I was expecting as a challenge. I'm now wandering through here, trying to figure out what to do now. I'm thinking I might head over to... I think I might head over to Epcot and get some ramen from the Katsu place. But... I think that's the end of the video. Unless something dramatically cool happens. Bye.